have to show us.
Hi. So, there's a problem. The sink is clogged. Watch. And I don't know why it's clogged. Watch how... And I wonder how it's clogged. Let's check the drain. Oh no, there's stuff. Let's empty it out. Okay, look, it's all empty. So, hold on. Wait, look, there's so it goes down and up and around. There must be water in there. I wonder if it drips. We better go get a bowl. Come on. Okay, so look. So we got the bowl so it wouldn't drip. And now let's unscrew. Whoa, it's really leaking now. Whoa, this one's really gripping. Ew. Ick. There's gook and stuff in it. I wonder what that is. Oh, looks like seaweed a bit. Ew. What is that?
Put it in the bowl.
Oh, that's gooky. Ugh. What is that?
Take the rest off.
I actually can't. Doesn't look like I can't.
Unscrew them all more.
This one's unscrewed. This one's unscrewed.
So lift the pipe off. Ew. What is that? Let's get a closer look. Hold on.
Ugh. That's disgusting.
Okay. Unscrew the rest of the pipe.
Oh. I don't think I can unscrew the rest of the pipe.
No. Want help?
Yes. Oh, hi. Okay, we're back in. Oh, look at that. Must be all from the hair, Mommy. Daddy always shaves his hair in there, so I guess we'll screw the top part in now. Undo now. Oh, I touched. Ugh. It's disgusting when you touch or something. Now that we unscrewed the bottom, we have to unscrew the top. Looks like it's working. Disgusting. Ew, look at that. Ugh. That is disgusting. Oh, this smells. Well, now that's clean. Follow me. I want to show you something. Look at that. That was disgusting. Come on, let's go back. Now, let's try and attach it back. Okay? Cool. So, I'll start from top to bottom. So, we screwed this in here. Now that it's all put together and clean, we have to test it. I'm just gonna put this clean paper towel down and make sure if any drips. Let's see.
No drips.
Now clog. Cool.
We did a good job, huh?
Thanks for watching.
Oh no, we forgot.
What? Oh wait, hold on. We have to put these back. Come on. Since we take them out, we can put them back better. What do we use the most? Put the stuff we use the least in the back, most in the front. Hardly ever use this. Done. Yes, we're done. Yes, see that? Thanks for watching.